Hello friends, today I decided to go to what is called the Queen's Park Savannah and assemble this RC car to have some fun with my sons. This is in Port of Spain, Trinidad, in the Caribbean. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I appreciate you subscribing, liking, letting people know, commenting on this video and some of the thoughts that I make. I like to make videos that have a little bit of worth to it, and that you can discuss what activities you do with your own children. It's always important to have activities with your children beyond just the rudimentary things of day-to-day life. I'm assembling a RC car which is an Eachine as opposed to machine EAT11, and it has the speed of around 45 kilometers an hour. These particular RC cars don't cost a lot of money, but they are very fast and fairly durable. That's the box that it came out of, and I'm assembling all of this with one hand. The other one is holding the camera until I get my son to hold it, because certain parts I just couldn't do with one hand. I had to have two hands. So here I'm putting in the batteries into the controller. This particular model uses this one-hand joystick. It has like a trigger for speed and then a wheel on the side to turn the wheels. And then you could set the frequency and so forth. So now that I've tested that it works, putting in the batteries in both the hand trigger and the RC car itself, I'm going to put on the body. The body is a super light plastic. I mean really light. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it feels like paper almost. And this particular model has little lights on it, which is nice. So once I put on the body, I put on these little clips to keep it all together. One of the things I bought this for, besides the enjoyment with my children, is to mount a camera to it, but I just never got a chance to do it. Maybe I will one day. I do have a perspective from that of a dog. I have a video for that. If you haven't seen it, you can take a look. Now this is my first time using this, getting an idea of how to control it using the wheel and the trigger, which really you should do with two hands, but again I'm using one hand for the camera and one hand for the controller. Did you have any remote control cars in your time growing up as a child, or even now? I know a lot of adults into this. And by the way, the Queen's Park Savannah, if you haven't thought about it before, is a great place to use remote control vehicles, but don't do it when a lot of people are around. Right now we're doing it around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hardly anybody is around, so we could use this pathway. And now I'm going to give it to my sons so that they could have a go and see how they like it. And they're not bad. Watch how they spin it through all these pieces of metal in the fence and bring it back and turn it and spin it and stuff. They're pretty good at it. Anyway, keep on looking. If you like watching remote control cars, you could continue watching this video. You could also comment and tell me what you remember as a kid using remote control cars, or what you remember doing with your family for fun. Thanks so much for watching and being part of JB's Man Cave.
a bit, not too fast.